In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. Whether you're working on sensitive projects or just want to ensure that only the necessary team members have access to certain information, making a project private in Asana is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Asana website. That's www.asana.com for reference. If you're already a user, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If for some reason you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can easily get started by clicking Get Started or Try for Free to set up your account, and then join back with us in just a moment. Once you're logged in or set up, you'll need to open the project that you want to make private. Navigate your way through your dashboard until you locate the specific project you'd like to restrict access to. Once you're in the chosen project, look towards the top right corner. Here you'll find the Share button. This is key to managing who can see your project, so go ahead and give it a click. Now, after hitting Share, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll have the opportunity to adjust the access settings for your project. Take a moment to closely examine the current privacy settings of your project to understand who currently has visibility. And this next step is crucial. You'll want to change the visibility to private to project members. Doing this ensures that only the team members you've specifically invited have access to the project. It's a simple adjustment, but an effective one for maintaining privacy. Finally, before you wrap up, it's vital to confirm that the changes have been implemented. Take a second to ensure that only the right people have access according to the settings you've just configured. Double-checking this can save you from potential mishaps down the line and gives you peace of mind that your project is secure. Once you're confident that everything is in order, you can safely close the settings window. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully made your Asana project private. This little adjustment can make a big difference in protecting your team's projects and information. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks. See you next time.